Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive with keyboard and mouse. Let's begin by understanding the fundamental controls. Your keyboard handles movement, W for acceleration, S for braking or reverse, and A and D for steering left and right. The mouse is primarily for camera control, allowing you to look around your vehicle and the environment. Mastering these basic inputs is your first step to navigating the diverse terrains and scenarios BeamNG Drive offers, providing a solid foundation for all your virtual driving adventures. Once you've grasped the basics, it's time to refine your driving. For precise control, gently tap W and S to modulate your speed rather than holding them down. The spacebar activates the handbrake, essential for executing tight turns or initiating controlled drifts, adding a layer of excitement to your maneuvers. Should you find your vehicle overturned, use the R key to reset it to its wheels. Practicing these advanced techniques will significantly enhance your control and enjoyment across all driving challenges. BeamNG Drive offers extensive customization options for your controls. Navigate to the Options menu, then select Controls to view and modify your key bindings. Here, you can reassign any action to a different key or mouse button, tailoring the setup to your personal preference. Experiment with the steering sensitivity slider to find a balance that feels natural and responsive for your driving style. Remember to save your custom profile, ensuring your preferred setup is always ready for your next session. To truly excel in BeamNG Drive, consider these helpful tips. Explore the various camera views accessible via the C key to find the perspective that best suits each driving situation, from cinematic to first person. Dedicate time to practicing in different environments like off-road trails or city streets to adapt your skills. Finally, make use of the replay system to review your driving, identify areas for improvement, and even capture impressive moments. These strategies will elevate your overall gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.